Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clear your search in your Instagram. I know so many boys are having problem, like they're into trouble because they search so many models and girls and they get caught in front of their girlfriend. So and then it's become so problematic for them. So I'm here for solving this problem. After this you won't get into this trouble, so if you follow step by step so you can get out from this trouble. So let's get started. So first you have to go to Instagram and then you have to click on three dots. Here clearly you have to see it clearly. You have to click on settings and then you have to click on search and you have to again write search. So here you can see I have recently searched this for showing you guys. So like when you guys will search any models or any females name, so for about like their account's name and you want to find them, so this will appear your search list, like your search bar, like this only. Like here like it's showing one because I searched it, so it will show like that. So how you will delete, you will just go here and you will click on recent search and you can give it clear all and you can click on just in this side cross. So like here I don't have any like I don't have that lot of search, so I didn't search that much people, so I can just cross it like this, so it will be gone, it will completely disappear. So that's it guys, that's how you can clear your search story. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Yeah.